Hello everyone, I am Basanth P R from D27 and it's been around 6 to 8 months here with GUVI. And I can say that GUVI is one of the best platforms out there if you want to start your career in data science. And not only is it affordable, but the mentors and teachers here at GUVI are industry experts and some are PhD holders and the ones who has been working in this data science field for quite a long time. So if you are looking for something to start a career in data science, I would suggest to go with GUVI before second thoughts because the support they give and the coding experience you get here is I don't think you get anywhere else. And also the placement support, it's been wonderful so far, so good. And I'm about to welcome the opportunities that are getting thrown at my face and I'm looking forward to see where I land. Thank you, GUVI. Thank you for this opportunity.